In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI website in Base44 in 5 minutes. To get started, open Base44 in your browser. This is where the entire website creation process happens. And the nice part is that you do not need to build everything manually from scratch. Base44 uses AI to turn a written prompt into a complete website layout, which makes it especially useful if you want to move fast or create a first draft quickly. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side and click on Home. This takes you to the main workspace where you can begin creating your project. If you're new to the interface, take a second to get familiar with the layout. The key area you'll be using is the prompt box, because that's where you'll tell the AI exactly what kind of website you want it to generate. Next, click into the prompt box and type in your prompt. This part is important because the quality of your result depends heavily on how clearly you describe the website. Try to be specific about the style, the sections you want included, and the overall purpose of the site. The more direction you give, the better the AI can match your vision. For example, you could enter a prompt like this: create a modern landing page for Make AI websites in Base44 in 5 minutes. Include a hero section, feature highlights, step-by-step process, testimonials, FAQ, pricing, and a strong get started call to action. Use a clean, responsive, AI-themed design with smooth animations, light and dark mode, and SEO optimization. After your prompt is ready, send it. At this point, Base44 takes over and begins building your website automatically. It will generate the structure of the site, including the layout, written copy, and even stock photos. This is what makes the process so fast. Instead of placing every section yourself, you're letting the AI assemble the first version for you in just a few minutes. Now simply wait while the generation finishes. Depending on the complexity of your prompt, this may take a short moment. During this stage, it's helpful to remember that the output is meant to give you a strong starting point, so focus first on the overall layout and branding rather than tiny details. Once the site is ready and you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and hit publish to take your website live. That's it. In just a few steps, you've used Base44 to create an AI-generated website quickly and efficiently.